Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys an unboxing or unwrapping of origami paper. I was at the other 100 yen store and I happened to find some cute new paper that I hadn't seen before. This is some design paper that's made by, where did I get this at? I got this at DAISO. Oh yeah, so it's not the other place, it is DAISO. I thought it was. Yeah. DAISO, good old DAISO. You gotta like that. They had some cute design paper and this one has dinosaurs on it, which is awesome. I think so many times the origami paper patterns here are really geared more towards girls. So getting, you know, stuff like this is so cute. And not to say girls can't love dinosaurs. I love dinosaurs too. But I don't know what the right way to modify these kinds of things are. But you don't typically see dinosaurs on origami paper. We'll just keep it like that. So cute. And I just love these designs because they just look adorable. And the paper looks really nice too. I can't wait to open it up and kind of see what it looks like here. It's meant to be Nagomi, which I think is like a nice kind of good weight, good quality paper. Let's get it out here. Yeah, that feels nice. Feels nice. So you get 6 sheets of 5 different patterns, and this is just a cute paper that has that nice, you know, fabric-y kind of feel to it on the top, and then a nice smooth surface on the back. So really nice, good quality paper, but with a really cute and unique pattern design. And I love the colors that are used here. It's almost like these are kind of like made to look like they're stamped, sort of, with this pattern. For this one at least. I don't know if they're all like that or not, but so you got this one that has sort of those nice dark kind of khaki and orange and navy colors. This one is a similar, it's the same pattern. It's just a different color scheme with the green in the background. And that's really cute. And then you have another kind of different pattern here with the pink background and the little dinosaurs there. That is so cute. Yeah, it does all sort of look like a stamp kind of quality with the ink there, with the layers of ink. This is the same pattern then with a white background. Love those purple dinosaurs. How cute. And then this last pattern, is this one just by itself? Looks like it is. Crazy, just lots of dinosaurs all toppled on top of each other with that nice little yellow background. And I think, you know, you can kind of tell just looking at it, the color theme is really kept between all of these so that they look really nice together. I like it when you can get some of these and they all share a color theme so that you can use them together, especially if you make a kusudama or any of Tomoko Fusei's gift boxes, which are all awesome anyway. To be able to use papers that all follow a similar color theme can really make things look cool. So very cute, nice paper, and 100 yen. You cannot miss that. I really tell everybody when they get a chance that they have to go to DAISO when you're here, because you just find so many wonderful things when you're here to be able to get stuff from there. Sometimes better than the fancy origami places. Not to mock those, you know, you should go there. You should buy one truly handcrafted, handmade, beautiful pack of origami paper if you come. But then you should spend all the rest of your money at DAISO and places like Seria to get really great variety of origami paper so you can take home lots of fun things. And it's the best deal for your money for sure. So I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!